Hello, Randy Rain here, and this time I'm going to be doing, well, these little guys. They have a whole bunch of different names and there's all kinds of them out there. So let's have a look at these. This is
Randy Robot Garage.
Okay, so now this one I have the box for. This one is called Robbie Robot. That's pretty original, huh? Robbie Robot. It's from Teleguide. I guess that's how you pronounce that. Forward and reverse turn action, flashing headlight, grip and lift action. That's this one. They're the exact same thing pretty much. There are some slight differences, but these have to be from at least partly from the same mold somehow. And there's a whole bunch of these out there, and they all look pretty close to the same, but there's all a bunch of minor differences. But then when you look at the bottom, they're pretty much the same thing, and probably the insides is the same thing. The arms are the same things. Oh, Robbie here has some stickers on him, and the remotes are different. So let's have a look at this one. Put some batteries in, close it up, forward, back, see, up and down. Yeah, bupkis. Look at this one. Goose egg. I am noticing that this one has the batteries going parallel and this one has the batteries going in series. Alright, I guess I'd pick one to start with. Let's go with Robbie. Well, it appears to have 4 screws on the back. And this one has stickers that cover the seam. You know what? I changed my mind. Let's start with the cheaper one. 4 screws. Okay, well there's one difference. You need a smaller screwdriver for this one. There we go. Okay. Is that tape? Here's a better idea. Okay, we'll hook a little power to this thing, see what it does. Okay, I got it to open. Will you let go now? Oh my gosh. Well, just how exactly do you get this? There. Okay, good. Finally. Problem. Okay. Or maybe that's the end. Closing. Oh, that's kind of neat. And then it clicks. Yeah, that's as high as it goes. Okay, then it will reverse. Okay, well, that works. Sure has a very nice brass worm drive gear there. Look at that. That's pretty. Here in front, have another motor for the drive, turning this wheel. That's the gear here, looks pretty good. And another worm drive gear down there. This one's plastic. Not near as pretty. Okay, well that works. So the robot seems to be working, just not getting any power to it from the remote. So all these gears look like they're in good shape. Here is the switching for the light to make it blink as it spins around here. It's moving this up and down. Although when I connect here and down here where the light is, that light doesn't come on. The light should be coming on right now. It's coming off. I like the little weights in the back to help pick stuff up. I'm assuming this snaps in pretty easily. Oh yeah. Alright, so I guess the problem is in these wires or in this remote. Time to find out. Okay, so this right here, all it does is push down on this lead right there. How much you want to bet that was no more making connection? Either from oxidation or just might not ever have. But I always like to look here and see how they did the reversing. This one's kind of neat. So this is negative. It comes in, and this whole thing right here is negative. And all these little pieces here are touching this. And all of those are connected to the wires. So let's say these two are a motor here. So right now they would both be getting negative. But then when you push one down, you can see it coming in here. Here's positive. It's coming in here and it's under. You can't see it, but it's underneath these. And so when you push it down, all of a sudden one of these becomes positive while the other is still negative. And that's clever. Still better than Steve the Butler, that's for sure. This is the robot that the batteries run in parallel, and I just noticed this little piece was like having to touch that. Yeah, I'm sure that was not making connection at all. Okay, well let's see what happens when I spray some of this CLR. Yeah, so I would solder it, but that's steel and won't solder. And then this piece that this connects to is steel and it won't solder. So I guess I'm going to try. Let's see, I'll go ahead and bend that down some so it's really pushing hard on it. Guess I can bend that up some so it'll be pushing on it. There we go. Okay, time to see if this works. These both go in this way, parallel. Okay, forward. Hey, backwards. Yeah, it does its little turn backwards. Sorta. There it goes. So let's try to. Okay, so there it goes. It's closing. It goes up and down. Huh. Alright, well that one works now. Okay, it's time for this one, but I gotta get these decals off. Okay, front motor seems to be working. Back motor, not so much. Get that motor going. There it goes. Just needed a little help. So is it done? After giving this a wash, I noticed it could use just a little bit of retro brighting. We can give it a day. But that retro brighting is going to make this all rust out, these weights back here. If I can get them out. That one came out. Ah, gotcha. Some Salon 40. So I only thought this was going to be an easy one. This gear is split. But that's nothing. This gear is split. This right here. That's a no good. Well, crap. Okay, so while that's curing, let's have a look at the remote, because I'm sure that's where the problem is. Look at that. That's not even connected. Something's broke right there. That's broke. Oh, what a piece of junk. Okay, well, let's see if this one can be fixed. It's not broken, but it's not working either. These snap out. Yes. Oh yeah, this is broken over here too. Alright, here's what I'm going to do. This plastic here. Okay, let's see. So I'm going to cut this. Yeah, I just thought I was done making molds. Okay, now I need to remake this section over here that's missing. Alright, let's give this a shot. Oh, that came out really nice. With this other gear, I didn't get enough of the hole there to make it all the way through. But I think I got enough that I can drill it out. We'll put this remote together. And now I'm just going to use some CA glue and hold those in position. Take care of the spot that I cut away before I molded it. Okay, I think that's it. I think that'll work. Now for the other side. Okay, time to give it a test. See, this is the forward and backwards motor here. That works. And the light comes on. That works. Now for this gear that goes on the wheels. Oh yeah, getting closer. Okay, now this one doesn't stay anchored to the shaft. It's being held together with the spring. And then when you go too far, it clicks so it can't go. Doesn't destroy the teeth. This set of gears sets in there like that. This set of gears sets in this way. Let's give it a shot here. Think we're working. Okay, so there's what they came out to be. Not bad. So now the decals. So there you have it, the lift and carry robots. That's one name for them. You'll find these all over eBay, and you'll find some in like really bad condition where they want way too much for them, and you'll find some working ones where they want way too much for them. But if you look around, you'll find some of these, and now you know what you're getting into. Now these both use 2 AA batteries. But this one puts them in parallel, where this one puts them in series. And since this one's in parallel, it's kind of slow. It's only getting 1.5 volts. But since it's in parallel, it will handle a load better. And plus, it'll have longer amp hours. Whereas over here, this one's in series. So now it's getting 3 volts, which makes it way faster. So with the 3 volts, it's going to be faster, but it's not going to handle the load as much, and it will die a lot faster because of the amp hours. So we have stronger, but faster. So what do? Robot fight. I better break the fight up. Took a lot to get this one going. This Robbie robot Robbie. What kind of stupid shit? Well, there it is, everyone. If you like that, please give me a like. If you want to see some more, hit that subscribe button. You know the drill. I want to thank these people. These are my patrons. I couldn't do it without them. I am so appreciative of every single one of them. Well, that's it. These are going on the wall, and that was
Randi Robot Garage.